Well, Monday had started with about 6 inches of snow and it was freezing. But we had fortunately had a Bedford sold and we had a load of booked-ins come and collect her. It was a 1972 Bedford J type, J5 if you want to be specific. This is driving into the yard. This is a private road, so don't worry, it's not. I'm not videoing on the roads. But yeah, so if you carry on watching, you'll see us getting it ready. The Wall de France was in the way, so we had to get that out of the way and start her up. We woke her up, weren't too happy, but she fired up fantastically. This was the Bedford that was sold. It was a 1972 Bedford J5 tipper, immaculately restored. It was brand new condition. It was a very, very nice truck, which was sold off to a new owner. My mate was on a low loader, was coming to collect her, and he was only around the corner, so we was just getting her ready. Thought we'd have lost traction by now, but she pulled out the yard absolutely fine. It was only a 4x2, so done pretty well. And she had to, where our yard is, you've got to drive all the way to the top of an hill to get out to the main road, which is always a sheet of ice and it's terrible, but she's done quite well, so yeah. She was running a Bedford 330 non-turbo engine, pretty reliable engine, very, very good, old school. 8-stud axles, 4-speed Bedford gearbox, pleasure to drive. It was a very nice old truck. Unfortunately, my mate John was at the top of our lane, and let a fellow passerby get by, and his back wheels went into the ditch and he got stuck, so we had to go and tow him up with our trusty Land Rover. We would normally winch them up, but seeing as it was going up so easy, we thought we'd try our luck and drive it up as it was, and lo and behold, it went up absolute bottle. Didn't slide or nothing, but normally we would put a winch on it if it started to struggle, but she went up not a problem. She got on site safe and sound and was loaded and off to a new owner. And yeah, that's pretty much all of it. It was a terrible day, wet and soggy, but that is it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you can, please. And yeah, keep checking the videos and we'll be posting them as and when we do them.